Hey, what is up guys? Welcome on back to my channel. Alright guys, so took the oil pan off of the motor that was inside the Miata, and on the pickup tube you just see shards of metal, and all this was in the oil pan also, just metal. This engine was definitely very gunky. This is nasty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the engine or the oil pan cleaned out and get it ready for the motor that I started assembling. Stay tuned. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little unboxing video. I got a few parts that were needed for the Miata in order to assemble the motor. Go ahead and set you guys down real quick. So we got some ARP head studs and bolts. And we got a new Tomei head gasket that is about to get installed into on the block and get the motor assembled and start getting it back into the car. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took it out of the box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down with copper spray a gasket. It's a sealant that'll hold it onto the head. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on both sides. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and toss it on the head. button so you get those notifications. The Miata should be running by next video. Not much is left to finish on the motor. Just need to install the oil pan back on, throw the motor back in, and get the valve covers installed, which isn't much. Make sure you also like as well. Peace.